always have one common message to my students, that every artist has to be technician and every technician has to be artist. Unless and until our younger generations don't learn this, that art is everywhere. Art is even the most metallic production. If you don't have a sense of art, you can't be a good doctor, you can't be a good lawyer, you can't be a good engineer. So this has been very much lacking in all our education in India particularly. And when we belong to a film school like this, where all the applied arts and crafts are being taught, it was very imperative for us to include this and to look for a right partner, right persons, right guidance. And who could be better than ECV School? And thank you, Mr. Patrick, for joining us, for guiding us and leading our students and teachers how to take it further. And I'm sure that today Whistling Wood has got another feather in the cap. And congratulations to my team, Meghna, Rahul, Chetan, and everyone, and all the whole faculties here, and every student. And let's give a big hand to the ECV School. I must thank you also, my great friends Neeraj from Digital, who is the pioneer in Digital India, and my great friend Umang, who is here to join us in spite of his busy schedule as a director, and my very good friend, artist friend Rubal is here, and so many other friends are here, and thank you very much for coming here and giving us time and giving us blessings. Thanks.
Mr. Xavier Massey, Dean of ECV Paris and Director, International Curriculum and Development. He's also an alumni of ECV and has spent 25 years in the design industry, out of which he spent 20 years in Toronto, Canada, in design and advertisement. He has headed his own design agency for 10 years and has been a design professor and coordinator in Toronto. His vision is that in everything he does, he keeps in mind the design methodology, process, and various strategies. Please give them a huge round of applause.
We'd like Mr. Subhash Ghai to please felicitate our guests.
This association would not have been possible if it wasn't for one person in the audience today, Mr. Prahlad Kakkar. Can we please have you on stage, Mr. Kakkar? He actually, in fact, in December met Patrick, asked me to call him over to the school, and that's how we met. So thank you so much, Prahlad sir. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible. Patrick, would you like to say a few words?
First of all, I would like to tell you that this is a great honor and a great pleasure to be in Mumbai in WWI with you. We are going to have a duo because my English is so poor that I'm not sure to can express all my feelings. When I arrived in Mumbai, it was 1 year ago. It was exactly in December. I had no idea what going to arrive. It was from I had no idea. It was really something. And if we are together now, right now, I want to say that Prahlad, who is here, was the first person I met in Mumbai. And I'm going to pursue with my project. Don't break.
So I won't translate this.
Tu vois, je suis arrivé très fatigué avec ma femme à 6 heures du matin à l'aéroport et que donc j'ai eu le plaisir de rencontrer après 3 heures de taxi Prahlad qui était chez lui.
So a year ago, Patrick arrived very tired at the airport. About 9 hours of flight, not years. And after, yeah, it seems like 9 years. And after 3 hours of taxi in Mumbai, he had the pleasure to meet at IIT. That's right, at IIT Design.
Cette rencontre a été tout à fait décisive et c'est à cette occasion que Prahlad m'a mis en contact avec l'école.
So it was a very decisive, although very short meeting, but it was very strategic one because that's when Prahlad immediately had the idea to call Meghna here at WWI.
C'est un projet qui s'est construit pendant 1 an, qui s'est construit lentement mais sûrement. Meghna est venue à Paris et là nous avons été convaincus que nous allions aboutir ce projet parce que, comme cela a été rappelé, nous partageons les mêmes philosophies et la même vision sur la formation des étudiants.
So it was, it was a year-long process. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. But it happened because, as you heard earlier, WWI and ECV share the same values when it comes to teaching design and arts.
ECV a une longue tradition, car comme il a été rappelé, l'école a démarré il y a plus de 30 ans à Paris. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes sur 5 villes en France. Nous avons environ 2000 étudiants et nous avons des partenariats aussi avec de nombreuses écoles à l'étranger, des universités à l'étranger, environ 60 partenariats. Et c'est sur cette dimension internationale que nous souhaitons aujourd'hui nous développer, en particulier à Mumbai avec WWI.
So ECV is 30 plus years old. It has campuses in 5 cities in France, has 2,000 alumni, and has a very vibrant and active international network with 60 organizations in the world. And to continue that vibrant initiatives, we are here today.
Beaucoup de nos étudiants travaillent à l'étranger et nous avons 2 doubles diplômes, un double diplôme avec l'Université de New York et un autre avec l'Université de Sydney. Nous avons aussi une implantation à Shanghai et cette dimension internationale est pour nous très importante, non seulement en termes de développement, mais aussi en termes d'enrichissement, parce qu'à chaque fois que nous rencontrons des professeurs, à chaque fois que nous échangeons avec des étudiants et à chaque fois que nous visitons une école, nous apprenons quelque chose et c'est très important pour nous car nous ne voulons surtout pas rester enfermés dans notre vision, même si nous sommes une très bonne école.
So through our double diplomas with New York and Sydney and other numerous exchange programs that we have directly with other institutes, every day we share knowledge and processes with very talented faculties all over the world. And that allows us to be very open to the world. And that's actually part of our philosophy, to be open designers, to be problem solvers that are open to the problems of the world.
WWI est une très très grande école, mondialement reconnue et très réputée. Je l'ai visitée il y a 1 an, je l'ai revue cette année et je suis vraiment très impressionné par la qualité de ce qui est mis en œuvre ici et de ce qui est mis à disposition des étudiants. Et donc ce mariage, cette rencontre entre WWI et ECV va selon moi produire de très très belles choses. Comme il a été rappelé aussi, L'Inde est un grand continent avec une grande culture. Nous allons apporter, je l'espère, des choses différentes à cette école, à WWI. Nous aussi, nous avons un passé et une culture, et je crois que c'est la rencontre de cette culture qui va être aussi très intéressante et très nourrissante.
So a year ago, Patrick visited the school and was very, very impressed by the campus, and not only the campus but also by the curriculum and the quality of the curriculum and the different streams that are being taught here, and was very eager to start something happening here because we are very respectful of the deep knowledge of art and design that is in India, the heritage that you future students, future graduates can carry upon yourself to keep that tradition of art and design. And we feel the same way coming from France, sharing some really deep heritage in art and culture, and we share the same vision in that sense.
La vie est une très grande aventure et une très belle aventure. Et pendant ce voyage, qui est le voyage de chacun, nous faisons des rencontres. Et il y a des opportunités. Il faut saisir ces opportunités. Et je crois que là, c'est une magnifique opportunité qui s'est présentée à nous, une magnifique opportunité qui s'est présentée à votre école. Et je suis sûr que cela va produire des choses tout à fait fantastiques.
So life is an amazing adventure. This is one step in our own, each WWI and ECV's life that is very exciting, and we are really looking forward to sharing great moments together through this new adventure that is presenting ahead of us.
Il y a un écrivain français qui s'appelle Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, qui était à la fois un aviateur, un écrivain et qui dessinait même pas si mal que ça. Il a dessiné le Petit Prince et qui a dit une chose très simple et très admirable qui est « Si tu es différent de moi, tu m'enrichis ».
Patrick just quoted a famous writer and also a pilot and sketcher drawer, Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, who wrote a little book that made a big noise in our culture called Le Petit Prince. And Antoine de Saint-Exupéry said, and I have to listen to that quote again one more time, sorry.
Si tu es différent de moi, tu m'enrichis.
Okay. If you are different from me, I get enriched by your experience. So here it is.
Thank you, Meghna. Thank you, Subhashji, for thinking about me and having me on board. I'm such a school, obviously, if it was in my time, I would have welcomed with open arms and somebody to teach me what I don't know about this world, because I just graduated from advertising and somehow waved myself in. I mean, Prahlad Kakkar ji was then with me doing our films, and also we share a nice bonding together from advertising world to come into a film world. I mean, it's obviously on the borders. I mean, if you know designing, you can design from a earring, a T-shirt, a logo, to a shoe, to films, everything. Like Subhashji said, everywhere there is art. Anywhere you step out, if there's no art, life is so boring. For me, I generally think if I'm not in this world, I'm not in this media world, how would I earn? Would I be able to earn going into a train, and how would I entertain people if I have to earn money? You see people, they have art in them. Art doesn't mean designing itself. How do they present themselves? Playing that taka, 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 and they play and they earn money. Would I be able to do that? I mean, that's presenting yourself to the world. I want to present myself to the world in a design way. Anything and everything I see, I can see design. I read a script, I can see visuals. I mean, Praradji could be looking at the movie in some other way. You can see in some other way. I see visuals. My whole designing part comes up front. I wanted a school like this to be developed in India, and none other than Subhash ji has taken this, the 10 years of Whistling Wood, and you didn't have a design studio or a design school. And thank God you made this, because I would be, I would get all my time whenever you want for me to come and talk to the students. I would love to do it, because kids need this guidance today. There are no schools. People come to me just for some job, and I can't take them on because they don't have experience. That means I have to teach them throughout, and they'll learn on the job. Here, this platform was required. And I'm so grateful to you guys for making this and developing this. And I know this will be the #1 school, in India and abroad. And hats off to you. Thank you for doing this. And anything you require, Subhaji, I'll be always here for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Umang, for that.
Design is something that surrounds us all the time. Sometimes we don't notice it, but human beings have a tendency to be attracted towards good design, whatever it might be in life. And I was introduced very late in life to a form of design, or being aware of design, and looking at it in terms of awareness, was when I went scuba diving in Lakshadweep, and we were trying to discover places which nobody had ever dived in before. So between two islands, I found a reef which was 40 kilometers long and 20 kilometers wide, and it was not on the charts. And we saw it from the surface, and there were a whole lot of concentric circles which were green in color, and there were tabletops, and we didn't know that. And we looked down from the boat and we said, let's dive here. And I dived there, and it just struck me that I was the first human being to actually see the perfect designer. And the perfect designer, you can call him God, I don't, because I've never seen him, is nature. Nature is the perfect designer of everything. You can't improve on that. And I saw a reef, as far as the eye could see, with a visibility of 120 meters, or 120 feet actually. At that time, you could see forever. It was like air. And every single coral, every single fish, every single color, every single shaft of light that actually put that whole reef into perspective was imperfect. But as a whole, it was perfect. So when you look for perfection, that's not design. But when you look at a whole world of symbiotic relationships, of balance, of aesthetics, of depth, of attraction, when a whole lot of imperfections come together, they become perfect. That is design. Thank you. been associated with a world-class designing school known as ECV, School of Designing and Creativity. And this is a step ahead of Wesley Woods with the support of our industry and support of many great artists like them to develop our younger generation with much more of artistic skill and to the creative side part of it, which is a very important and need for this country. And we are glad that Wesley Wood has been associated with the biggest designing school from France. And Mr. Patrick was here?
Yes.
Yeah. So it is a further step to create a new generation with much more artistic skill.
प्रहलाद, आपका इसमें किस तरह से योगदान रहेगा?
इत्तेफाक पहले मैं मिस्टर पैट्रिक से मिला क्योंकि I was at design what do you call conference in IIT and Mr. Patrick had just come back from a long flight from Paris and he was looking a little lost. So I engaged him in conversation thinking that as a host we should be friendly to our guests. Found that he spoke very little English, so we went into sign language. He had his wife with him who spoke better English than he did. So they said they're looking for a partner in India because they felt that India was not only ready for global design, but also had great cultural roots in design itself. So it wouldn't be very difficult to teach our people design because design is everywhere. You reach out to touch anything, it's designed. So to become aware of design was what his intention was. And he wanted to collaborate with an organization which would actually reach out and touch as many people as possible. So the only person I could think of was Mr. Subhash Ghai and Meghna. And I said, I've got the right partners for you. Don't stop looking anywhere else. Just go straight to Whistling Woods because it's a matter of mutual need. You need them and they need you. And it's going to be absolutely like magic. And it was. Yeah.
पर्पस क्या है इसका? मतलब
The purpose is, देखिए, अगर आप किसी चीज को डिजाइन करेंगे तो उसका जो वैल्यू है वो बढ़ता है by 100 times. Just by changing the shape or the design or the look or the feel or the taste or the color or even sound for that matter. You can add value without actually spending any money, but through sheer aesthetics and the use of space and the dynamics of space. So आपको तीव्र मध्यम मालूम है ना हिंदी म्यूजिक में क्या होता है? तीव्र मध्यम is not what you hear. Your ear hears it, but it is not something that is a part of what you call the melody. It is a in-between notes that you hear. That is design.
It's a beautification of anything which gives you happiness, smile and positive energy.
And value,
आप
infinite.
आप दुल्हन को ब्यूटीफाई करते हैं तो कितना ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन होता है. एक साधारण लड़की भी इतनी खूबसूरत लगने लग जाती है. आप अपने घर को डिजाइन करते हैं, आप अपनी टेबल को डिजाइन करते हैं, आप अपने सलाद को खाने को बनाने को डिजाइन करते हैं. कितना फर्क पड़ता है कि एक अपने सलाद ऐसे रख दिया और एक सलाद अपने उसको डिजाइन कर दिया. सो ब्यूटिफिकेशन ऑफ द प्रिटी पार्ट चाहिए उसके अंदर. ये जो सारी स्किल है, ये सारा एस्थेटिक्स की जो डेवलपमेंट है, उसके लिए पर्पज है इसका. उसका पर्पज ये है स्कूल.
तो इसमें किस डिपार्टमेंट्स के लोग शामिल होंगे?
जितने भी कंसर्न हैं, लाइक हमारे पेंटर्स हैं,
स्कल्पटर्स हैं,
Sculptors हैं, फिल्म मेकर्स हैं,
Everyone is connected to the art.
डिजाइन तो सबकी लाइफ में है ना.
Yes, everyone who's connected to the art.
ये जो प्रोग्राम है ये स्पेसिफिकली विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन का प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पर जो आप विजुअली देखते हैं ब्रांड्स में, मार्केटिंग में, और वो जो डिज़ाइन उभर के बाहर आता है तो वो फिल्म पोस्टर्स में भी होता है, आपके एक वाटर मिनरल पानी की बोतल पे भी होता है, हर प्रोडक्ट जो आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसमें डिज़ाइन है, आपकी शर्ट में डिज़ाइन है, हर जगह डिज़ाइन है. तो वो ये जो प्रोग्राम है वो इंडियन सोल को रख के, इंडिया की जो कल्चरल ट्रेडिशन है उसको रख के एक इंटरनेशनल पार्टनरशिप इसलिए ले रहा है ताकि हम वहाँ से ये सीख सकें कि what is the best way.
And there's so many times that you are very creative, but you are not exposed to so many different things which are happening in international market. But even in the Indian sector, we are growing as a very fast economy country. So बहुत सारी चीजें आपको पता है, लेकिन how to put them to action you don't know. So I have always supported education. I always say education is a must for all. And to have more academies, more colleges, more institutes which lead you to education and exposure and learning is something which is fantastic. And in fact, we should have many more institutes like this which Subhash ji has made, and we all must applaud and appreciate that, you know, he's taken, Whistling Woods has taken a step forward to venture out from just designing and filmmaking to now come into serious design learning. You know, it's a school of design which is going to focus on a lot of different things. Why are we here as an artist? You know, it's if we think it's only digital, then we are not really needed to be here. But he's venturing out to slightly more serious learning, because art connects you to everything. For creativity, you don't have to really think that I'm an artist or I'm an architect or I'm a mass communication guy. If you have the mind to create, you must come to an institute to learn to take it forward to another level.
It's natural, yeah.
Yes.
Would you like to ask?
मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि डिजाइनिंग से रिलेटेड अगर कोई भी शख्स होता है या फिर कोई भी यूथ होता है उसे रिकॉग्निशन नहीं मिल पाता, तो इस स्कूल के जरिए आप लोग क्या प्लान कर रहे हैं उन्हें अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए, उनको
Recognition नहीं मिलता मतलब?
देने के लिए?
Do you mean they would be also launching them or something? Or
नहीं, recognition means what?
Recognition means what?
लाइक अगर कोई फिल्म रिलीज होती है, आर्टिस्ट बहुत सारे होते हैं, जैसे एक्टर्स होते हैं, एक्ट्रेसेस होते हैं, उनको रिकॉग्निशन मिल जाता है, लेकिन आर्ट डिजाइन वगैरह
बिल्कुल नहीं,
डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं,
बिल्कुल नहीं, नहीं। देखिए, आपने बंसाली की लेटेस्ट फिल्म देखी? बाजीराव। अच्छा, उसमें कितने लोगों ने नोटिस किया कि उस जमाने में जूते जो पहनते थे लोग, वो बूट्स नहीं हुआ करते थे, और हम साउंड जो वेस्ट से लेके ठोक देते हैं अपने फिल्म पे, जो हर फुटस्टेप पे टॉक 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 की आवाज है। आपको कुछ फर्क लगा? बाजीराव में कौन सा साउंड था? वो जो जूते पहने थे उनने, चूचा। Now he designed that. It made a difference to you.
And the film.
I asked who was the sound designer. मैंने कहा ये तो अद्भुत है। अभी तक मैंने हिंदी मूवीज में इतनी डिटेल में किसी को नहीं देखा कि फुटस्टेप्स की आवाज भी अलग थी।
So that's why you don't have to really get a launch pad. If your work is good, like I was saying upstairs, you will automatically get noticed. The sound designer, शायद तो हमें नाम नहीं पता है, but people who really recognize good work will want to know about them and will get in touch with them.
Design is such a thing that the recognition comes immediately.
Yes.
अगर आप अच्छे
If it is
डिजाइनर
good.
हो, हाँ, अगर अच्छे डिजाइनर हो तो लोग तो इमीडिएटली चकाचौंध हो जाते हैं।
बिल्कुल. And we are all looking for
It makes it so
young fresh
attractive.
talent.
आपके सामने जो ये पड़े हैं, इन लोगों, ये भी तो डिजाइन की है ना?
Installation.
जरूरत तो बहुत है।
Yes.
ये भी डिजाइनिंग, सबने अपना, किसी का अच्छा है, किसी का बहुत अच्छा।
शायद बॉम्बे टाइम्स में recognition नहीं मिली, मतलब in terms of glamour, that is what the actors get. But this recognition is different because the employers जो employ कर रहे हैं लोगों को, they want graphic designers, they want communication designers, they want sound designers, production designers.
The
So there is a huge need.
Value adding is huge.
Yes.
आसमान जमीन का फर्क हो जाता है।
And your success is not measured with the
And
kind
demand
of the
कितनी है?
awards that you have.
And
in
demand
hand. It is
कितनी
with,
है?
your success should always be measured with the kind of good work you do. Because good work will always be applauded. It's not that how many awards I have in my rack would make me a better artist, but what work I do. If somebody looks at my installations, watches a film of Subhash Ghai or any of the painting of Subhash and says, this is fantastic, I think for me, that's as big as national award.
No, but if you look at, say, Mr. Subhash Ghai's work, what is he known for in his films? No, showman तो वो हाथ दे दिया भैया, जब स्पेसिफिक क्या है? No, he designs his songs and his choreography like nobody else does to date. And that is what adds so much value to his films, because he designs them personally. He sits on the galla
Personal
with
touch.
a danda in his hand.
Their extra care.
No, you see, if you have that aesthetic sense, it helps you. My training at FTI, and when I watched so many beautiful films, world classics, so from there I could understand the cinema is much more than only storytelling.
Yes.
See, it is much more a visual, much more an aesthetics. And you can convey so many things. Why the films become classic for 50 years, 40 years? Because the designing has been a very huge part in every department, whether the sound department, or the makeup, or the costumes, or sets, whatever it is. They are all matching and complementing the storytelling
yes.
and the characters over there.
Very
And
important.
it becomes a one song.
मौजूदा दौर की जो फिल्में हैं, अगर फिल्मों की खूबसूरती को देखें, डिजाइन को देखें, तो उस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
वही तो डिजाइन है।
आज के दौर में जो ट्रेंड चला आ रहा है उसको लेकर आप क्या कहेंगे?
नहीं, पर आप देखिए आज के तौर के फिल्म, ऑल द यंग डायरेक्टर्स, दे आर सो डिजाइन कॉन्शियस. दे हैव अ पर्सन ऑन द सेट called a production designer whose job it is to design the film.
Correct.
Design the lighting, design the props, design the background, design the sets. Everything is today conscious. फिल्म में कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं होता. जो कुछ फ्रेम में है वो हकीकत होती है और वो डायरेक्टर और डिजाइनर का विजन होता है. ये ऐसे नहीं कि कैमरा कहीं लगा दो अंधाधुनी और तुक्का लग गया, नहीं लगा तो नहीं लगा.
In fact, earlier they used to have, I used to notice as an artist that they would have these random, very ugly-looking paintings at the back just to fill the wall.
Yeah.
But now, if you see, you actually want to see at the background also, because you want to see what sculpture is that, what painting is that. There's more aesthetic sense which is come into our present cinema, which is very, very nice.
And it's the same with posters.
हाँ? मैं भाई कौन सी भाषा में दे दूं? मराठी, हिंदी.
मराठी.
जो कंफर्टेबल है.
नहीं, आपका चैनल को कौन सी सूट करती है?
Hindi.
ऐसा? ओके. ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल्सो डिजाइन.
बैड प्रोडक्ट.
जी नहीं, मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि ये जो स्कूल है इसकी बहुत जरूरत थी अपने भारत देश में, क्योंकि अभी जितनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट है, जितने हमारे बच्चे लोग आ रहे हैं और जैसा हमारी प्रगति हो रही है, तो उसमें डिजाइन की सख्त जरूरत है. अभी इन्होंने कहा फिल्म में है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट में होगी, प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन में होगी, जहां आता. नाउ आई हैव डिजाइन सो मेनी थाउजेंड बुक कवर्स, so many thousand, and I started 25 years ago. वहां की टेक्नोलॉजी प्रिंटिंग की अलग थी. आज जो मैं कर रहा हूं, अभी रिसेंटली आई डिड नसीर ऑटोबायोग्राफी किताब, तो आज की टेक्नोलॉजी बदल गई. तो वी हैव टू लर्न दैट एंड वी हैव टू इम्प्रूव अवर सेल्फ. और आज की पीढ़ी के जो युवक है उनको इतनी जरूरत है कि उनका ये फ्यूचर है. आज जो आप सवाल कर रहे हैं कि डिजाइन क्या है, तो डिजाइन आप खुद हो, लेकिन समझने की कोशिश है कि आगे होने वाला वक्त है जो डिजिटल है, जो कुछ है उसमें डिजाइन का एक पार्ट बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत ही बड़ा है. उसकी वैल्यू बड़ी है. उसके ऊपर ऐसे कहते हैं होल वर्ल्ड इज डिजाइंड. लाइक मेरे दोस्त ने कहा कि टेक अ एग्जांपल अबाउट अ नेचर, take an example about a tree, take an example about leaf, take an example about a flower. सब में डिजाइन है. आप यहां बैठी हो तो आपकी कलर स्कीम देखो, वो भी डिजाइन है. शर्ट, पैंट, शूज, हेयर स्टाइल, मेकअप, आईब्रोज, जो कुछ बदल रहा है उसमें इतनी डिमांड है डिजाइन की, और हमारे पास उसके लिए स्कूल नहीं था. हमारे पास प्रिंटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी के कुछ स्कूल थे, इंजीनियरिंग स्कूल था, आर्किटेक्चर, पर मेन जो था वो सुभाष जी ने शुरू किया है. हमें उनको बुलाया है और हमने उनको प्रॉमिस किया है कि जो हमारा एक्सपीरियंस हो वो बच्चों की तरफ हम लेके जाने के लिए तैयार है. तालियां तो बजाओ.
हमारी सरकार ने एक नया स्कीम लाया है, प्रोजेक्ट है वो स्किल डेवलपमेंट. उससे जुड़ गया कोई प्लान है आपका?
हम ऑलरेडी जुड़ चुके हैं. एक्चुअली विस्लिंग वुड्स ने टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल साइंसेज के साथ जो टाई अप किया है, वो जो सरकार ने स्किल डेवलपमेंट पे वोकेशनल एजुकेशन का इंट्रोड्यूस किया है डिग्रीज, उसके अंडर ही हम
and also teaching technicians if you're going
प्लस यस वी आर प्लानिंग टू टीच टेक्नीशियंस, लाइटमैन, उनके साथ भी स्किल डेवलपमेंट का ही. तो हम ऑलरेडी गवर्नमेंट के साथ और HRD मिनिस्ट्री के साथ बहुत क्लोजली काम कर रहे हैं ताकि हम अच्छे प्रोग्राम्स डेवलप कर सके फॉर वोकेशनल एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट इन द मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट.
Can I add?
Yes, please.
Almost done, ना?
please.
जो इकोनॉमिक डिजाइन हुए इन दिनों, पिछले दिनों में, इससे संतुष्ट हैं आप?
इकोनॉमी डिजाइन हुई है.
How the economy has been designed, like,
Of course,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल.
थोड़ा elaborate करिए सर. एक-एक करके.
क्यों जब एक पेशेंट को पेट में दर्द होता है
उसको ये असल सवाल ये पूछना था बाकी
तो जब पेशेंट के पेट में दर्द होता है तो आप या तो उसको सुई देते हैं या मुंह से दवाई देते हैं या पीछे से एनिमा देते हैं. दिस कंट्री वाज इन क्रिटिकल कंडीशन. इट रिक्वायर्ड एन एनिमा एंड ओनली वन मैन कुड डू इट. ही हैड द करेज एंड द गट्स टू गिव दिस कंट्री एन एनिमा. अब जब एनिमा मिलता है तो सबको तकलीफ होती है, सबको तकलीफ होती है. बट द एंड रिजल्ट is to make you well, is to make you healthy again. The enema isn't that forever. क्या आपके अंदर को enema पड़ा रहा और you walk around with it.
आप ये देखिए कि 2014 में हम लोगों ने एक अपनी नई सरकार चुनी, कोई भी था, ABC कोई भी होगा. उसकी वजह क्या थी मेनली कि सारी दुनिया, हमारे पूरा भारत जो है करप्शन से इतना नाश हुआ था. बात सही है. देने वाला भी लेने वाला भी हर चीज हमारे बिहेवियर में आ गई थी, हमारे ब्लड में आ चुकी थी, हमारे स्वभाव में आ गई थी. ये बात करेंसी की नहीं है, ये बात नोट्स की नहीं है, ये मानसिक स्वच्छता की बात है. जब इस तरह से करप्शन में आ गए थे तो ही हमने एक बंदे को चुना कि भी देखो शायद ये कुछ करे. और जब उन्होंने ये इंजेक्शन दिया कि जब पूरे
एनिमा
तो वो उसी के लिए दिया कि जो चीज हम चाह रहे हैं अब उसमें हमारा भी पार्टिसिपेशन चाहिए, हमारे भी थोड़ी पेन हमको भी तो सहनी पड़ेगी. मतलब हर चीज हमारे को प्लेजर मिले और हर चीज हमारे को घर बैठे बैठे पूरा हिंदुस्तान ठीक हो जाए तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. हमें बाहर निकलना होगा, हमें उसका साथ देना होगा. इसी को तो बोलते हैं कि मेरा क्या कर्तव्य है एज ए सिटीजन. इकोनॉमी की डिजाइन की कि स्वच्छ इकोनॉमी होगी, क्लीन इंडिया होगा, क्लीन इकोनॉमिक्स होगी. तो मुझे आना ही चाहिए, चाहे मुझे 2 महीने का, 3 महीने का, 4 महीने भी सहना पड़े. 70 साल से फिर आने वाले तो 70 साल हैं. आने वाले भविष्य के लिए, अपने बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए हमें साथ देना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट इज ए वेल डिजाइन फॉर ए क्लीन इंडिया. और उसके जो कॉम्प्लिकेशन होंगे उसके साथ हमको देना चाहिए.
ये विचार आपके.
थैंक यू.
Well, I would not comment on your question, but I would always say that to make a change, you have to be the change yourself first. We always blame government or other organizations, but till you take an initiative to do something, it will never happen. Like, I am not kind of person who says government ye karegi to main बैठी हूँ and I'm waiting for the new policy to come. If I feel that this is the area in Dharavi or Chembur or any of the slum which I need to get done and clean, I take my team and I reach there and I start my action. Because I feel when you do work, when you do good work, we never have to go homes and ask people to vote for us, हमें जिता दो. आप अच्छा काम करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली लोग आपको चुनते हैं और आपके काम को सराहा जाता है. So you must always not, get into the blame game कि हमारे पेडिस्टल टूटे हुए हैं, हमारी सड़कें गंदी हैं. आप अपना आजू बाजू साफ रखेंगे and we have a huge population. If we can, even 50% of us can contribute in keeping our surrounding clean, it will become much better.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
आपका पर्पस